Hello and welcome to another video
by Game Dev Journey.
Today I thought we would have a look at some useful tools for those of you starting out in game development or participating in a game jam, or maybe just doing a lot of experimentation like I do. Often we focus on the game engine which we are using to make our game, but the majority of the work in game development is actually the assets, and even once you have them, working with them can be tricky. Not all of us are artists or sound designers, and so a lot of these tools are for art assets and sound assets to help you in your game development endeavors. The first tool is called Shoebox, and it's a very useful little program which can do a number of things to speed up development. It can take multiple images and pack them all into a single texture atlas. It can also read a sprite sheet or set of bitmap fonts and export them as individual sprites. It can generate a bitmap font set that can then be designed further with Photoshop. It can even extract textures from photographs or screenshots. It can convert GIF or SWF files into animation sequences which can be edited on a frame-by-frame basis. It can create frame sheets from an animated file. It can detect sprites in a transparent image and cut them out. It can edit the pivot points of multiple sprites at once. It can split Photoshop layers into multiple PNG files. It can create and read 9 slice sets from design files or existing images. It can extract tile maps from screenshots of a game. And finally, it can mask and feather a transparent image from your clipboard. Truly, it's a highly versatile utility program for anyone working in game dev, and it's free. The next great tool for anyone learning and experimenting with game dev is VGResource.com. This is split up into sections for sprites, models, textures, and sounds. It's a collection of all of these elements from commercial games so that you can use the sprites from Mega Man or Mario in your game or recreate your favorite game. Of course, you can only use these sprites and sounds and so forth for personal projects. Largely, they are for learning and experimentation. It's huge fun to go and grab the graphics from your favorite game and use them in creations of your own. Go and try it. When you're entering a game jam and don't have time to create the art, or you're just not an artist and you need assets for your game but you don't have the money to commission them, then head on over to OpenGameArt. Here you'll find free to use art and game assets which you can use in your games. This is a place where artists can showcase some of their work and where you can find assets for use in your game or project. Many artists are contributing constantly here, and you'll most certainly be able to find things that fit the style and theme of your game. Use the search bar at the top to do this. It's also a great place to find nice looking placeholder graphics if you're going to develop your own game art at a later stage. For creating your own sound effects to use in your games, there's a great little program which was originally created in Flash for use in Ludum Dare game jams. It's called Bxfr, and it's essentially a sound effect generator. There are loads of tweaks and settings which you can change to generate the exact sounds you're looking for. I'm not going to go into all of it here. You really need to just download the program and start playing around. You'll be amazed at the interesting and unique sounds which you can make very quickly. Finally, we have video game facts. This is not a tool for game development per se, but rather just a fun way to relax after you've been in the zone for a while. It's fun to read random facts and secrets about some of the popular games of the past and their development. There's even a trivia section in which you can test yourself on just how well you know a particular game or series of games. If you want to de-stress and just enjoy learning some random facts about games, this is a good place to go. Go and check it out. As we enjoy some more visuals from the fantastic pixel art game Eastwards, I just want to say thank you for continuing to support my channel. I'm working hard to create new and different content for you. Sometimes it's not easy, but I press on. Once again, thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you all again next time.